This is how I fix disorganized tables with invisible lines on Google Doc. Okay. So I already told GPT to generate a table for me. Okay. So we're going to copy this table and go back to Google Doc to paste it. Okay, so pasting our table, it will look like this. I want it to have the lines. So it's usually is like this whenever you copy a table from AI, okay, also or from some other source. It doesn't show the lines. Okay, so you don't have to be pasting the words one after the other, like creating a table from scratch. You just have to highlight everything, okay, and go to this border width at this corner, okay, at the extreme top right. Okay, the border width, you click on it and then you click on the width, maybe one PT or 1.5, whichever, but I prefer 1.5 because it's a bit thicker. Or let's go with one. So click on that. We have a table like this. So you see now our table now has lines. Okay. So rather than going to insert table and start imputing everything one after the other, we can just make our tables lines to be invisible.